Fiverr has become one of the most popular freelance platforms in the world, connecting millions of freelancers with clients who need quick and affordable services. But, like any platform, Fiverr has its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding the pros and cons is essential if you're considering using Fiverr as a freelancer or a buyer. Let's start with the pros. First, Fiverr offers easy access to a global marketplace. Whether you're offering graphic design, writing, video editing, or virtual assistant services, Fiverr allows you to reach clients all over the world without needing a long setup process. Second, it has a low barrier to entry. Beginners can sign up quickly, create gigs, and start earning without prior experience or professional certifications. Third, Fiverr provides flexible pricing options from $5 gigs to high-end premium packages, allowing both freelancers and buyers to work within their budgets. Fourth, the platform includes a review and rating system, which helps build trust and credibility. Positive reviews can boost your profile and attract more clients over time. Finally, Fiverr is convenient for quick one-off jobs, making it ideal for buyers who need fast results and freelancers who want to complete small projects efficiently. On the flip side, Fiverr has some notable cons. The most common complaint among freelancers is heavy competition, making it challenging to stand out without niche skills or effective marketing. Fiverr also charges a 20% commission on every sale, and buyers pay additional service fees, which can reduce earnings or increase costs. Another drawback is inconsistent quality, as not every freelancer delivers high-quality work, requiring buyers to carefully vet sellers. For freelancers, there's also limited control over clients. You can't take client relationships off the platform easily, and algorithm changes can affect gig visibility and success scores unpredictably. Finally, Fiverr's focus on short-term gigs can make it harder to build long-term relationships or a steady income stream compared to direct client work. In summary, Fiverr is a powerful platform with many opportunities, especially for beginners or anyone needing quick, flexible services. However, competition, fees, and platform limitations are real challenges that both freelancers and buyers need to consider. Fiverr works best if you use it strategically, as a starting point, a side income, or a fast solution for one-off projects, rather than relying on it as your only freelance platform. If this video helped you understand Fiverr's pros and cons, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews and tips for freelancers. Thanks for watching.